Hey, it's Todd Ault, and these are Wall Street Words. Today's word is the Sherman Antitrust Act, passed by Congress in 1890. This is an important act of legislation, and if those of you who follow history would know that Standard Oil was broken up by the Sherman Antitrust Act. In the 1800s, and even before that, there were trusts and groups that organized to create monopolies and control prices. Congress did not like this and eventually passed the Sherman Act to make sure that they could break up companies that acted with monopoly-like tactics. Standard Oil was broken up into multiple oil companies, which we know today as Exxon, Chevron, Mobil, and other companies. The Sherman Antitrust Act is still enforced today and used on a regular basis by the Antitrust Division of the Department of Justice. The Sherman Antitrust Act, an important definition is something to know when you're investing in public companies. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.